Hello, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग. हॅलो.
हाँ मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग. तुम्ही स्टार्ट करा लेक्चर. शरद जॉईन नाही करत आहे.
ठीक है चालेल.
रेखा मॅम,
बोला.
आपलं ह्याचं रेकॉर्डेड सेशन सरांना एकदा प्लीज रिमाइंड करा ना.
हो हो करते सर. एकच मिनिट.
हो चालेल.
दिसत नाहीत का? टाकले, अपलोड नाही केले अजून.
नाही, अपलोड नाही केलेले.
ओके ठीक आहे. चलो. Okay, so next part what we have seen in last session, that is DOM, right?
DOM.
What is basic DOM, right? Basically why we are using DOM or why we are learning DOM? Basically, if you wanted to change your web page at runtime, okay, then only we can use DOM. Okay, there are methods. What are the different objects in DOM? The first super parent object is window. After that, then document, then HTML, and then there are two childs of HTML. That is disable screen share. Hello, Rekha ma'am, screen sharing चा ऑप्शन करा ना, मला होस्ट नाही केले. हॅलो.
आज आपलं सेशन 2 तास होणार का?
बघू, लवकर चाललं तर लवकर वाईट
नाही, ऍक्च्युली मी खरं सांगू का, मला काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही तसं 2 तास हे करायला. पण काय होतं, जावास्क्रिप्ट थोडंसं अवघड आहे ना, मग ते असं होईल की 2 तास घेतलं तर मग
मॅम
कितपत
स्क्रीन
समजेल आणि
शेअरिंग ऑन
कितपत
हे करा ना,
लक्षात
मला
राहील.
होस्ट करा ना, मला अनेबल दाखवते. नाही झाले, स्क्रीन शेअर नाही करते. हा हा ना, नाही हा डॉमचा जो पार्ट आहे ना तोच घ्यायचा आहे आणि लास्ट पार्ट, कारण की आता काय आहे ना, थोडंसं मला पण ऑफिसचं काम आहे, त्याच्यामुळे ऑफिसचे वर्किंग आवर्स मला त्याच्यामुळे ना टाइम मिळणार नाही. म्हणून म्हटलं आता तुमचं फक्त काय ना रिएक्ट राहिलंय. ओके, मग ऍटलिस्ट आपण कसं थोडंसं घेतलं. तर मला ऑलरेडी आज तुमचं रिएक्ट स्टार्ट करायचं होतं, बट बेसिकली तुमचं कालचं आपलं सेशन झालं नाही, कालचं आपलं झालं असतं तर आज रिएक्ट स्टार्ट झालं असतं.
हो.
त्याच्यामुळे थोडासा हे होतोय. नाही तर मग कसं, मग तुमचं सिलेबस मग खूप हे होऊन जाईल, लेंदी होणार. ओके, बेसिकली आपण तेवढंच घेणार आहे. डॉम मध्ये अजून 2 प्रोग्राम्स आहेत. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये की सिम्पल दिसते इथे. ओके, नाव एक मिनिट. डॉम 1 आणि डॉम 2. ओके, हा वाला घेतला होता आपण, है ना, लास्ट. ओके, नाउ सपोज यहाँ पे भी हम लोगों को एक सिंपल एक प्रोग्राम है. ओके, जो आप लोगों को बताती हूँ. यहाँ पे नॉर्मल हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जितने भी एलिमेंट होते हैं HTML के, राइट, एट रन टाइम पे वी कैन नॉट चेंज दैट HTML एलिमेंट्स. ओके, बट डायनामिकली इफ यू वांट टू चेंज the HTML elements at runtime, then we can use JavaScript. Okay, now so here we have taken one H3, okay, that is demo session, and then one ID, one div tag, and then div tag. In div tag we have taken one list, okay, unordered list. Okay, now this is nothing but your basically here there are 2 divs. Okay, now अभी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, suppose if I wanted to check the text of that particular element. Okay, so अगर मुझे टेक्स्ट देखना है, ओके, देन वी हैव 2 मेथड्स. ओके, डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट हम लोग क्या करते हैं, गेट एलिमेंट बाय आईडी डॉट, जो भी हम लोगों ने ये लास्ट वाला हम लोगों ने देखा था, राइट, इवेंट टू इवेंट. 1 सेकेंड. program server JSDOM. Okay, where is JSDOM? Okay, now suppose in this last program, if I wanted to check or if I wanted to get the text of that particular element, okay, then we have a method dot inner text or inner. Tag name by ID dot inner text, right? Basically. Okay. Now dot inner text element document get element by ID suppose. Okay. Now here आता इथे काय केलं थोडंसं हे कमेंट वगैरे केलेलं आहे. ओके ना वेगळा एक सेपरेट क्रिएट करूया आपण. ओके त्याच्यामध्ये घेऊया सपोज js dot html. Okay. Then the complete. Okay. Now here suppose one h1. Okay. Okay. Now one div tag is there. Okay. In div we have taken unordered list. Okay. And here li. Okay. Suppose home. About and content. Okay. Now suppose here we are giving id equals to suppose div1. Okay. And then here I have taken script tag. Okay, script and then okay. Now suppose if I wanted to target these web elements, then what we have to do? Let element equals to document dot get element by ID. Okay, what is the ID here? Div is the ID, div1, right? Div1 dot inner inner HTML and inner text. Okay, there are two methods. Basically, inner HTML means क्या करेगा वो? Okay, dot inner HTML and suppose console dot log. Okay, now suppose console.log here, just DOM. Okay, then console.log. I have taken here. Okay, now this is nothing but your inner HTML. Okay, this is your suppose basically this is h1 tag. Okay, this is your nothing but your heading. Then this is the unordered list, and I want to target these unordered lists, but this unordered list is in the div tag, right? Okay, here if I mouse over on the div, then your whole list will be highlighted. Okay, that means what does it mean? That means the list is inside your div tag, and we have given a particular ID to a div tag, that is div1. Okay. Now, suppose if I wanted to target this particular list, then we have a method that document.getElement by ID. Okay. Now, in console, I have targeted this. That is nothing but your inner HTML. Okay. And what if I am calling the method inner text? Okay. Same. Okay. Now suppose here okay. Now dot inner text. Okay, just see what is the difference. Inner text and inner HTML. Why it is showing same? Wait. Okay, because we have print the same element only. Okay. Now, right? Are you able to understand the difference between inner HTML and inner text? Text means it will only give you the text whatever present inside that particular tag. or particular ID, right? But when it comes to inner HTML, then it will give you a whole HTML code in your console, right?
Yes.
That is nothing but the two methods. Okay, there are two methods basically, this inner HTML and inner text method. Okay, do it. Do it, then I will share the next. I will tell you the next methods. Okay, here.
Okay.
Okay, what we have done here, we have just taken a small a. One is a heading, then one we have taken one div tag, then in div tag we have inside div tag there is a list, unordered list. Okay, and we have given the ID to the particular div. Okay, and we are targeting the element by ID only here, and we are what we have done here, then I'm getting, if I wanted to get the HTML code of that particular ID, then we have a method dot inner HTML. Okay, and if I wanted to get the particular text of that ID, then we can use the inner text method. If done, let me know.
Yes. डन मॅम.
Done? Okay. ठीक है. Now, okay. About content. Okay. Now here I have taken one another div. Okay. One another div is there. Okay. Here we have taken the list. Okay. Basically, these are some list. Okay. And यहाँ पे भी हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, जो भी suppose if I wanted to change the background, I can change the background using style method. Here there is a style method. Okay, dot inner text and inner HTML. Okay, it will give only the text of a HTML, and what is inner HTML? It will give whole code of the HTML. Okay, now the document.all क्या आप लोगों ने किया, तो जितने भी आप लोगों के यहाँ पे टेक्स्ट होंगे वहां पे वो सारे आप लोगों को मिल जाएंगे. सपोज यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने किया डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट ऑल, देन जितने भी नोट्स है वो विल गेट द ऑल नोट्स डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट ऑल. stored suppose console dot log a. ओके, ठीक है. HTML collection, वो पूरा आप लोगों को collection, it will return you the whole collection of the HTML. Okay, that is HTML head, meta, जितने भी whatever the tags are present in a HTML, it will give you that tags only. Okay, that is nothing but your document.all method. Okay, we have one HTML tag, then head tag, then meta tag, title tag, then we have a body. In body we have h1, div, and then ul and li. Okay, and script tag. It will give you a whole document. Okay, now
मॅम ते डॉक्युमेंट्स मीन्स आपण जे जे टॅग्स यूज केले ते आपल्याला तिथे डिस्प्ले करतं का?
right, document is the object na. Document, what is document? Document is the basically your document means what? Your parent object. Okay, this is nothing but your document, and in document you have written the HTML code, right? As a document, the very super object is super parent object is window, then after window document, after document HTML, and in HTML there are two child elements, body and head, right? Head and body. Okay, remember that tree? What is that tree? Here it is. Wait, I'm just sharing your whole screen. Okay. Now okay, remember the tree? We have seen this tree, right?
Yes.
First is document, then root element with the HTML, then HTML have two child element, that is one is head, one is body. Okay, and in head there are two, there are one is meta and second is title tag, that is child elements of head. And what are the different child element of body? There are attributes, whatever it is, all the elements that we have we are present that present in a HTML, that all the elements are the child element of your body tag, right? Because we have seen that whatever the HTML elements, we have taken only the in the body, right? So this is nothing but your body, which is the child of HTML, and HTML is the child of document, and document is the child of object window. Okay, so this is your nothing but your object only. Okay, now okay, inner text, inner HTML. If you have a multiple classes, or okay, if you have multiple classes, here I'm giving the tag class here, that is text1, and this is nothing but your text. First h3 id is text. Okay, now here if I wanted to get the particular class id, particular id by class name, okay, then we have class name if there are multiple childs. Okay, if there are multiple childs, suppose this is nothing but your this is first, sorry, class is there. There is class, this is ID. Okay, okay. This is the class. Class here, class is the text one. Okay. Now, suppose if I wanted to get the, if I wanted to target this element, then we need to use here. If I wanted to get the text of that particular class, then we have the get elements by class name. And what is the class name here? The text txt1 is the class name. 0. 0 means what? Because when we are using class, if I wanted to show the, if you wanted to show the group of elements, right, then we can assign the same class name to the multiple elements, right? Then what, which class you want, that's why we need to pass here the index position. Okay, here we have only one class, but when we call the method, that is get elements by class name, here it is, what is it? Okay, now suppose element, here I'm doing element 1. Okay, then what it will give you? Inner HTML means it will give you whole this tag, right? Because inner HTML will give you whole HTML code. Okay, if there is ID, then ID will be unique only. Okay, then we don't need to give the indexing. But when it comes to class, then because we know that, what we know that we can assign the same class name to the multiple elements. Okay, if we are assigning the multiple elements same class name, then which class I wanted to call or which class I wanted to target, that index position I need to pass here. Okay, so basically what it will give you, this whole, this second deep tag. Okay, are you getting? Okay, जो हम लोगों ने देखा वही है same. Okay, what we have seen yesterday in ID, this is nothing but the same. But if there is a class, then class is for a group element. So which element you wanted to target, that index we need to pass in the class name also. Okay, that dot inner HTML. Okay, now suppose here query selector. What is query selector? Why we are using query selector? Saili, we have seen 3 methods,
Yes.
which was
Get elements by class name, get
Huh?
elements by ID, and
Right.
get elements by text, I think.
text नाही text नसतो. ID, name and name. ID, class name and name.
Ha.
Okay. And there is one more method is query selector.
Query
Okay. In
selector.
query selector, we can pass either ID or class or name also. Okay. That is inner HTML. Okay. Now got it? Okay. Now, suppose if I wanted to change the background of that particular head. Suppose what is ID? Head. And head is first div tag. Okay, if I wanted to change the background of this head, then here I have taken the style let document.get element by ID, then head. Suppose I'm commenting this and I'm commenting this. Okay, now head dot style dot background color, and whatever background color you wanted to give, just pass this background color in equal. Okay, now just save, and if I will run this script, then okay, the background color will be changed of first div. Okay, because the head is ID head is for this first div. Okay, this div only. Now observe that. Okay, the color, the background color of H3 will not change, right? What is H3? DOM session.
Compensation.
Right? Here, it will not change the background color of your head. Okay, because we have only, we wanted to change the background color of only that head only. Okay, and head will be this your whole div tag. Okay, got it? Likewise, you can change the properties if you wanted to change ठीक है. If you wanted to change the color, then background color or any CSS property, then you can use this method. Okay, style dot करके आप लोग यहाँ पे कुछ भी दे सकते हो. Okay, check it. Okay, first इतना रहने दो. Then ID, here div को वो ID दे दो head. Then h3 एक ले लो. Okay, h3 को हम लोग ID दे देंगे text, that is info. And here one is UL tag, already है ही है ये. You have written this code, right? And then next is this second div. Okay, we have given here ID div1 and then h2. h2 is class h2 को हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे class दिया है. Then यहाँ पे हम लोग दे देंगे links. Okay, right from the starting.
मॅम थोडं स्क्रोल करायचं, डीप पर्यंत झालं.
Done, Saili? Done with the code?
नो मॅम, लास्ट 2-3 हे राहिले.
Ha, okay. Do it.
डन मॅम. मॅम आपण हे जेव्हा लेट एलिमेंटसाठी हे करतो, सपोज आपण आपल्याला प्रिंट करायचंय तर लेट एलिमेंट इज इक्वल टू डॉक्युमेंट घेतलं, तर मग आपण आता एलिमेंटसाठी ELE यूज केलंय आणि याच्या आधी जे आपण पाहिलं त्याच्यामध्ये आपण ALE घेतलं होतं. हे काय डिफरन्स आहे का, काही त्याचा फरक नाही पडत?
डिफरेंस नहीं है. वी हैव जस्ट स्टोरिंग दिस इन दिस. ओके, यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, जितना भी यहाँ पे आप लोगों को जो भी मुझे करना है वो मैंने एक एलिमेंट में स्टोर किया है. ठीक है, वट एवर नेम इट is ELE or ELE or A or LE, whatever name it is, I have just stored it in this.
हो, पण त्याचा म्हणजे काही फरक नाही पडत ना, असं म्हणजे
No,
आपण
no,
काय हे करतो.
no,
ओके.
no, no. We are using this ELE for just storing this. Okay.
ओके.
Done.
येस.
Okay, now if you then practice it. Okay, whatever it is, if you wanted to change the style, if you wanted to change the color of that particular element, okay, you can do it by this kind of thing. Okay, now one last program is there through which we can write or we can create a element in the DOM using HTML. Sorry, using. Okay, now so see here. Okay, we have one a div. Okay, then this is outer heading. Okay, why we have another div in this div. Okay, inside div. Okay, then we have one, the here I have taken 3 headings, H1 A B C D, just like, and I have given the ID to that particular heading. Okay, now suppose if I wanted to change the color of this. Okay, document dot get element by ID, I have changed this inner. What is inner? What is inner? This is nothing but your inside div block. Okay, now I wanted to change the style of that particular element, that is color is yellow. Color is yellow. Okay, now see. Okay, and now suppose मुझे क्या करना है अभी यहाँ पे get element by ID, दूसरा जो element है A, उसका color, that is parent, these are nothing but the parent element. Okay, and मुझे change करना है उसका भी background color, that is orange. Okay, so we have a style dot background color equals to whatever we wanted to give the that color, we can give that particular color to that particular element. Okay, by there is a method document dot get ID, document dot get name, document dot get class name. Okay, now here basically this is our parent. Okay, this is nothing but your, suppose this is nothing your children's. Okay, these are all the children's. Okay, now this children means what? These are the siblings. These are children's, right? But these are the
Yes.
sibling of each other, right? This is nothing but your previous sibling of B. Okay, if we are considering the B as a children, then what is A? Sorry, what is A? It is previous sibling of your B, right? And C is next sibling of B. Okay, we have a previous sibling and next sibling method. Okay, so that's why we need to understand what is previous sibling and what is next sibling. Okay, now if I wanted to change the color of previous, children one is nothing but your this A. Okay, now here I have to change the children one dot style. Here I have changed the color of that particular element is green. Okay, then get element by ID. Here I have taken B by ID B, previous element sibling dot style blue. Now same it is. Okay, because this is nothing but your A, and previous sibling of A means what? The previous sibling of A is, previous sibling of B is, that is nothing but your A. Okay, this is kind of a thing. These are siblings. Okay, so if we are considering B as a children, then that all are children only. Okay, but suppose if I wanted to, how you will be relate to A to the B. A is the previous sibling of B and C is the next sibling of B. Suppose if there is a D, then what is D? D is the next sibling of C, and
C.
B is the previous sibling of C, right? Okay. Now, as we have seen, there is a previous element method, previous element sibling, and next element sibling method is there. Okay. And next, this will change the text of the D as this is D. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या किया, चेंज द टेक्स्ट ऑफ द डी. नाउ डी यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या किया, यहाँ पे डी, अगर मुझे उसका इनर HTML, यहाँ पे अभी मेरा क्या है, डी है, लेकिन सपोज इफ आई वांटेड टू चेंज द text of that particular element, then also I can change the text of that particular element. Okay, now how? Just we need to pass inner HTML means what? Simple, it will give you the whole code of your HTML. Okay, now if I wanted to change that HTML text, then here this is D. Okay, inner HTML equals to, in double quote or single quote, you have to give whatever the text you wanted to change, just you wanted to give in the within the double quote or single quote. Okay, then it will change the this D by this is D. Okay, this is D. Okay, let's check what is it is working or not. Okay, this is blue. We have changed the color of that whole is yellow. Okay, first of all, yellow, that is whole your div is yellow. Then we have A. Then A, we have changed the value of A is by orange. Okay, then A ka orange ho gaya yahan pe. Okay, then I have changed the value of that particular children one. Children one is nothing but your इनर. ओके, बाय आईडी इनर मीन्स व्हाट, ये जितने भी सारे आप लोगों के एलिमेंट्स है वो सारे चिल्ड्रंस है. ओके, उनका यहाँ पे कलर चेंज क्या हो जाएगा, नथिंग बट वन का कलर चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, बाकी के सारे ब्लू है, लेकिन 0 1 2. ओके, मीन्स यहाँ पे ये जो बी है, बी का कलर यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, ब्लू हो गया, सॉरी ग्रीन हो गया. ओके, चिल्ड्रन वन है ना. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन वन इज नथिंग बट योर B. So here the background color of B is changed to green. Okay, then here I have taken document.getElement by ID previous sibling or kiska B ka. Okay, now previous means what, simple A. So here the value of A, the background of A is changed by A only, blue only. Okay, just now see here. Okay, now what is document.getElement by B? Next sibling. What is the next sibling? Next sibling is C, right? So A and C, the color are both the color are same. Okay, now here I am changing the first, it was D only. First it was D only, but if I wanted to change the text of that particular element also, then how you can change the text? Inner HTML equals to whatever the text you wanted to give, just give that text inside the double quote or single quote. Okay, got it? Okay, Saili?
येस.
Okay.
हे सगळं समजलं, म्हणजे जे काही तुम्ही सांगितलं खूप इझी वाटतंय, समजतंय. बट ना, हे आता हे कसं आपण हे जे टॅग्स किंवा हे कोड युज करतोय, हा म्हणजे हे कुठे काय युज करायचं हे थोडस आता प्रॅक्टिसनी युज टू होईल ना, मग तोपर्यंत ते थोडस मला ते समजायला अवघड आहे.
Okay,
बाकी
no
काही
problem,
नाही,
no
बाकी
problem.
समजतंय, सोपं आहे असं वाटतं.
Right. Okay, and with the help of JavaScript, now we can with the help of DOM methods, we can create an element also. Okay, there for creating a new element in HTML. Okay, we have a create element method. If I wanted to create one element in document object. Okay, so here we can create the element also. Let E equals to document.create element h1. Okay, and h1 text node. In h1 I need to pass this h1 into, I need to pass this text into this h1. Okay, how it will be? Suppose E, this is E, nothing but your E. Okay, let T equals to document.create text node. Okay, node for the text. Text for the node. What is our text? What is our node here? H1. Okay, if you wanted to create a div, you can create a div also. Okay, whatever you wanted to create the tag, just pass inside that double quote or pass inside the create element method. Okay, now I wanted to suppose ये आप लोगों को कैसे दिखना चाहिए, suppose it seems to be h1. Okay, welcome to DOM. Okay, means first I have create the element and then later I have create the text for that element, and I am appending. Append method is there. Append method means what? Simple concat. It will concat your this append. It will append your text in the element. Okay, now e dot append child. Okay, मुझे क्या करना है यहाँ पे child है. h1 is the parent, is nothing but the child. So here t and console dot e log e. Okay, create element and suppose here I'm just ओके ये सेम ऐसे ही है आप लोगों को, ये सेम यहाँ पे और एक एलिमेंट हम लोगों ने क्रिएट किया था. ओके, जस्ट सेव इट एंड व्हाट वी हैव सीन. ओके, this is nothing but your inner heading. Okay, now if I wanted to check, because we have seen here the console.log. Okay, wait. Okay, this is nothing but DOM session 2. Okay, console.log console. Okay, see here, h1 is welcome to DOM. Okay, at line number 41 the element is created in your HTML. Okay, got it?
येस.
To create an element in the HTML, we have to use method is create element. Create element and create text node. For that, a particular this is nothing but your element, and this is nothing but the text of that particular element. Okay, you have to just practice it, nothing else. Okay, do it or capture the screenshot, and then I think this is enough for today. Right?
ओके, मग जर आता आपण कंटिन्यू करणार नाहीये ना, तर मला
हा.
फक्त हे पूर्ण एकदा स्क्रीनशॉट घेऊ दे. कारण करायला हे जास्त वेळ लागेल. मग विनाकारण तुम्ही वेट करणार ना
हा
माझ्यासाठी.
हा हा.
सो
Okay,
मग
one
मी हे
topic is
करते.
remaining. Okay,
आणि
okay,
आपण
no
हे
problem.
रिएक्ट आता जे हे स्टार्ट केलं मीन्स रिएक्ट म्हणजे हे असंच आहे ना पुढे.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, रिएक्ट पण असंच आहे. रिएक्ट मध्ये रिएक्ट में भी हम लोगों को यहाँ पे
हॅलो
सेम
मॅम.
ऐसे. हाँ
रिएक्ट
हॅलो.
हीच असणार आहे ना?
हा काय म्हणते तू, आवाज
हो,
नाही येत.
ऍक्च्युली मला ना आधी जावास्क्रिप्ट जेवढं डिफिकल्ट वाटत होतं ना,
हा हा
ऍक्च्युली
हा
रिएक्ट थोडंसं इझी वाटतंय त्यापेक्षा. फक्त हे
हा
थोडंसं टॅग्स आणि हे थोडं स्टायलिंग वगैरे हे थोडंसं लेंदी करायला आहे, बट
हा
ते
हा
इझी वाटतंय. फक्त ते कळायला हवं की कुठे काय यूज करायचं इनफ.
राईट राईट. ओके.
ठीक आहे, मी ह्याचे
हो
स्क्रीनशॉट्स
स्क्रीन.
घेते आणि
ओके
मग
ओके.
तुम्हाला सांगते.
हा हा ओके.
डन. थोडंसं स्क्रोल करता का जी नेक्स्ट घ्यायला.
हा हा एक.
आणखीन थोडं केलं तरी चालेल कारण मी 26th रो पर्यंत केलेलं आहे.
26 पर्यंत गेले. ओके. डन.
डन.
This is just a second example of this only. Okay.
डन.
ओके ओके देन वी कंटिन्यू ऑन टुमॉरो. नाही मंडे
मंडे.
मंडे का टुमॉरो
मंडेला टायमिंग तुम्ही जे काही करायचं म्हणजे तुमच्या हिशोबाने तुम्ही सांगताल त्या वेळेला मी जॉईन करेल.
हा हा
जस्ट मला थोडं आधी माहिती असेल ना तर मग मी करेन.
हो हो मी काल पण आधीच
पण आता
सांगितलं होतं
तुम्हाला जर
मॅमनी.
ऑफिस वर्क आहे तर मग मी तुमच्या अकॉर्डिंगली मला टाइम ऍडजस्ट करता येईल, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये मला.
हा नाही ठीक आहे. आता थोडंच राहिलंय आपला सिलेबस, त्याच्यामुळे काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. लगेच लगेच मला जसा टाइम मिळेल ना मी तसं तुमचं कव्हर करून घेते. ओके म्हणजे मग तुम्ही पण
ओके.
म्हणजे तुमचे पण टेस्ट वगैरे घेता येईल. ओके मग तुम्ही हे करा, मग मॉक इंटरव्ह्यू वगैरे घेता येईल तुमचे, आणि प्लेसमेंटसाठी जाल ना तुम्ही मग नंतर.
हो
चालेल.
चालेल.
हा
थँक्यू.
ओके ओके चलो बाय.
ओके बाय.